Okay, just put it in the blender till it stops screaming. Okay? You may have to use the microwave, but it may be more messy that way. At least in the blender it's contained. Okay. Now where was I? Hi, again, it's me, Instantkotsu, or whatever you want to pronounce it. Because apparently I don't know how to pronounce it. I didn't do a video yesterday. Sorry for that. I really did not want to do it yesterday. I don't know why. Oh yeah, playing with my new phone. Alright, look at that. You want it. Cost me a kidney and half of my liver. Don't you hate it when you have to use body parts in order to buy yourself a new phone? Alright. Hey, got something really cool to show you guys. Look at this. You're like, oh Zach, you're just waving down around a dollar bill. But no, it's a... You can't really see it, but it's a WheresGeorge.com dollar bill. Basically, these dollars are sent across the U.S., and they have this website for you to go on, and you enter in the serial number and where you're at, and they'll track the dollar for where it's been at, basically. The last place this one was at, well, it took 127 days to get to where I'm at, basically, which is kind of fishy, because I've actually seen 3 of these. I haven't been able to. I think, okay, one of them I seen, it wasn't mine. I think I had one also, but I was thirsty, so I put it in a machine. And then there's this one, which I, just put in, and it's only been, I think I have the hiccups, it's only been put in. Sorry, I just can't think of a sentence. Well, okay, I'm not going to explain any further, because it's confusing, and I'm getting confused, and I'm about to sneeze. Okay, you think it's gone. I'm going to sneeze randomly. It's disgusting. Oh, yes, just one more thing I guess I'm talking about today, because I'm so lazy. I posted a comment on Facebook referring to the, in fact, let me just pull it up. It has to do with nonconformity and conformity. Don't be hating if I mess up on this, how to say it, and bloody hell, Facebook's messing up. Why is Facebook always messing up now? That's what I'm trying to figure out. My unconformity may equal conformity. That's my message. Basically, people say that they're nonconformist, but really, if you try to be a nonconformist, you're a conformist, because other people are trying to be nonconformists at the same time as you are. America nowadays reinforces the idea of individuality. I still might be mispronouncing that word, but I mean, really. A teacher once asked me in a class, do you think you're a conformist or a nonconformist? Maybe one person rose their hand from a conformist, but the rest of us, what do you know, rose our hand for nonconformist. Well, I didn't raise my hand actually at all, because basically, I'm not trying to be anything. I'm not trying to be a conformist. I'm not trying to be a nonconformist. I'm trying I'm not even trying to do that. I guess being myself. That's the way I can do it. I don't care if other people be themselves. I just care about what about what other people say and what it means. So if you decide to start wearing black all the time just because your friends do to show their nonconformity, that just shows that you're conformist, really. If you think, oh, everyone wearing a Hollister shirt, I gotta wear a Hollister shirt, but I'm gonna be myself, unique at the same time, conformist. You can conform to people's ideas. The parties of Republican, Democrat, even some independent parties. If you like their ideas, you're conforming to their ideas. Not saying any of those are bad. I'm not really going to go into politics because, really, do we want to go there? You would all lose, and I would be talking about horseradishes. Yeah. So, yeah, I keep checking Facebook. Oh well. So, I guess that's it for today. Shout outs, I guess, again, to Alex. Hopefully he'll watch this one. Jasmine, because she wants me to shout out in every single one. In fact, no, I take that back. No shout out for her. No. Lucy wants a shout out. Shout out to Lucy. No one else asked for them. Well, Alex didn't ask for it, but since I like to be annoying towards him, I just did. Oh man, okay, I'm running out of time, so I guess I'll see you guys. Maybe not. Dang it, can't be distracted by myself, because that's just, weird. So, good night, goodbye, have a good evening.